Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, you can always leave a comment below if you have a question. So for today, I am making a puzzle. I've been making lots of puzzles using that Glowforge Aura. I know it's not the best of the best, but it does cut wood and engrave really nicely. It can cut acrylic, but guess what? I don't have that much time on my hands. So I like to do quick projects. Anything less than 2 hours is my type of project. So I am cutting 100-piece puzzle, and it has a little hidden message of encouragement once it's all put together. So here's another puzzle I did the other day. It's smaller, and I painted with my acrylic paint pens. I have like, I don't know, 25. I think it came in a pack of 25 or 20. And then I made the same puzzle just a little bit bigger. And then last night, I went even bigger. We did 50 puzzle pieces. This was pretty fun painting it and painting it in a design. Trying to get myself hyped up for the nice weather because it's still pretty cold here in Delaware. And then I did an ASL alphabet, and all the pieces do come out, but I did not want to paint. I didn't want to paint it. So this is some of the projects that I've been doing. I've also been doing some 3D prints, and I'll show you those in the next video. But I wanted to come on and just kind of give you a quick update on what your girl's been doing. So the current project that I'm doing now is going to have 100 puzzle pieces. It's going to have a special little encouragement note once everything's put together, and I have about an hour and 17 minutes remaining. I'm going to show you another quick video. I'm going to take you over to the machine, show you where we are, and then I'll come back once it's done. So we have about an hour left for the print. So while we wait, I'm going to get me some waffles and some chicken and have me some lunch. So I'm going to prepare my food, and we're going to head back into the office. Let's go. So while we're waiting, I figured I would give you a quick tour of my temporary office. So right here we have the Glow, not a Glow, it's FlashForge, Venture Forward Light. That's my 3D printer. I still have my 16 by 20 heat press, but I don't use it that often. There's the Glowforge. It's working. On this shelf, I have, these are the acrylic pens that I use to color on the wood. Here's most of the filament. No, this is all of the filament except for the yellow that's in the printer. I have them in these bags. I just have to go through and seal them again. Some of them I just didn't close because I was using it. So yeah, this is all the filament. I have a good amount of color to choose from. And let me show you some of my 3D prints. So here are some of the things I've made with the 3D printer, which are mainly clickers and flexi toys. These were really fun. And plus this helps me learn the machine and what settings works best for me. So these are little fun clickers, the kids and anyone suffering from anxiety, or even if you just are nervous about something, this can definitely help you. It helps me because my husband likes to drive really fast. So when I got to get in the car with him, I always bring my personal one with me. Let me go get it and show it to you. So this one right here is my personal one. I love it because I can hold it in my hand, and I love the colors because I'm so ready for spring. Can't you tell? I am ready for spring. So, yep. these are some of the things that I've made with the 3D printer. So while I wait the last few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and check the mailbox. And I did find some mail and some packages for my son. And it's done. It's completely done. It came out great. It looks amazing. I just have to take it out, do a little light sanding, and we're going to be done for today. I'm probably going to paint it tomorrow or maybe start later tonight. But sanding is right now as much as I'm going to do. And then I'm going to glue it to the back panel so that it can fit nice and snug. You've made it all the way to the end of the video, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. See you next time.